Hi, this is an example of searching a string for a piece of information and doing something, I'll say, somewhat useful with it. I've declared a variable called spaceAt, which is going to keep track of where the space is in a particular string. It is an integer because it's going to be the spot, the element in the string. So it's going to be a number. So in this instance, I'm going to use a for loop, and it is going to check each spot through the string. It's going to start at 1. The for loop will start at 1, 2, 3. So it will go, is this a space? And if the answer is no, then it will not record that spot into the integer. It will go to the next element, next one, next one, next one. As soon as it gets to, in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the sixth spot, then space will then be equal to 6. And then on this line here, down below, it's going to put out the substring from the beginning, from the space plus 1. So the space plus 1 until the end. This star means to the end of the string. And then a comma with a space. And then the first part of the string until the space minus 1. So we're still using this one, minus 1. I did want to initialize the string here so that we can visualize what's going on. But I will now run the program as it was intended. This will be overwritten, this name here, when I run it. If I just put a name in, it will take from the space plus 1 till the end, comma, and then from the beginning to the space minus 1, and then it will be Bill. There is a faster way to do this using index. And index essentially does the exact same thing minus the loop. So I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to enter this right here, and you'll notice it does the exact same thing. I'm just going to smash the keyboard there. So it just took from the space plus 1 to the end, comma, and then from the beginning to the end. So index returns this where what you're looking for happens to appear in the name. So if I put a character that is not going to be in the name, I believe index returns a negative number. I think it returns -1. So I'll just do that. So now I'm using index, and I'll just make sure I do not put a Z. Okay, in this program, it is a 0. So if it doesn't find anything, then the index will return 0. So if it's greater than 0, then you know it found what it was looking for.